Italfluid is a well-established global service contractor, leader in providing upstream petroleum industry, with specialized services for production and well operations activities, all in compliance with international standards and operational best practices. Italfluid was founded in 1975 by Professor Guido Soavi, former Montecatini manager and professor of petroleum chemistry at Genoa University. Since then, Italfluid has grown continuously and today is the premier Italian service company with an expanded international presence at 12 permanent sites and workshops in 7 different countries. Italfluid is an integrated service company that incorporates in-house engineering and manufacturing divisions. This working organization allows the full implementation of the continuous improvement cycle. On-site experiences are transferred to engineers, allowing them the opportunity to optimize process treatments and equipment design. These modifications are applied to vessel fabrication in workshop and results verified on-site by the same engineering team. The mission of Italfluid is to provide to our customer best-in-class services by means of professionalism, ethics, responsible and proactive attitude. Italfluid aims to be a real example in the upstream industry. The philosophy of the company consists in the continuous implementation of a virtuous circle that complements manufacturing, multi-services and engineering, thanks to personal know-how, improved by experiences on field, and supported by fast fabrication response, both in planification of its initial design and as an implementation of the design of constructive feedback received.
In the wide range of services provided by the company, Italfluid is specialized in production activities such as oil treatment, hydrocarbon early production and field production enhancement, plant construction in terms of oil stabilization, desalting, H2S removal, etc., aimed at bringing oil to export conditions. Italfluid oil treatment system is based on modular skid units, fast to set up and easily expandable. The system is flexible and sized to grant production 24 hours a day, all year long. Italfluid oil treatment system can be applied to an early production situation to ensure a quick return on investment for the client and to make available production data, allowing the operator to appraise reservoir performances before outlining permanent treatment facilities. The system can also be applied to enhance production whenever wellhead pressure is insufficient to allow optimal well flowing condition. The Italfluid engineering team can customize any treatment process and plant design to satisfy customer requests. Production units and equipment are designed to satisfy company production forecast and meet QHSE requirements. Plant management, day-by-day operations, equipment inspections, maintenance interventions are executed by Italfluid production team according to a dedicated quality plan. Italfluid gas compression and dehydration systems are employed to enhance well production or field production performances. The systems are based on modular skid units, mainly composed by reciprocating compressors from 1 to 3 compression stages. Modularity allows to apply the system at the single well head or at manifold level to improve production of several wells. Units, whenever required, can be equipped with gas engines. Fuel gas derived from expedited process gas makes the system self-sufficient. Italfluid water treatment system allows impurity removal, oil, gas, salt, sand, before re-injection. Treatment section is mainly composed by water degasser, water skimmers, filtering unit and coalescing units to achieve hydrocarbon content lower than 20 parts per million and degree of filtration lower than 10 microns. Water reinjection section is mainly composed by triplex pumps which allow to achieve injection pressure up to 350-400 bar, and chemical injection packages designed and manufactured with pneumatic or electrical power supply, capable to inject up to 350 bar. All units are equipped with diesel engines and suction booster pump. Italfluid has a long and broad experience also with multi-phase pumps. Italfluid can perform full field data analysis and recommend to customer the proper solution. The activity includes feasibility study, multi-phase pumps selection and multi-phase pump installation design. Italfluid offers also multi-phase pumps management service including pump surveillance, pump operating data optimization, preventive and corrective maintenance, fault analysis and repair. Italfluid has a wide well testing experience in onshore and offshore operational scenarios. Our experience embraces high pressure and high temperature well testing. Italfluid has a large number of well test equipment, all H2S service, most of which can operate in classified Zone 2 ATEX equipment. Italfluid has available flameless and smokeless special gas burner to operate in sensitive area and/or complex conditions.
Italfluid performs also complementary services at wells, such as tubular running services, namely make-up, breakout and handle tubular support services, allow to efficiently run tubular to total depth. The equipment available includes casing and tubic hydraulic power tongue, single and double completion, from pipe and carbon steel, non-marking power tongue, fill-up and circulating tool. Italfluid provides also hydraulic pick-up and lay-down machine to safely and efficiently move pipe between racks and rig floor, reducing job time, pipe or tree damaged and personal accidents. Also services of casing and tubing services, chem computerized analyzer makeup, chrome completions, casing drive systems, flange pre-tensioning and casing cutting are provided. Moreover, Italfluid developed casing drive system that allows to make up simultaneously to rotate and reciprocate casing, then reach bottom well bores and improve cementing job. Clean recover tool and dope applicator for easy washing and proper dope application on tubular threads. Weight joint compensator to ensure high quality, soft and precise connection during stabbing in of casing or tubing. In particular, Italfluid performs coil tubing and nitrogen and remedial cementing services. 1/4 inch, 2-inch trailer or truck mounted coil tubing units for land operations, 5/8 inch, 1/4 lightweight and small footprint coil tubing units for offshore operations, 5,000 normal cubic meter hours containerized nitrogen pumps and tanks for onshore and offshore use, cement batch mixers and high-pressure pumps for remedial cementing and P&A. Also, slickline services is realized with new generation of slickline units. Our units are double drum, ATEX Zone 2 ASAP. For offshore operations, the unit have available tool container and lubricator and BOP storage and transportation rack. Support services are also provided, such as engineering, design, and simulation process and operations, besides data acquisition, data analysis and reporting technical data sheets and authorizations. Mechanical construction factories allows the construction of high-pressure manifolds, compressor packages, 2- and 3-phase separators from 2,000 to 30,000 liters, up to 200 bars well pressure. Heaters fed with gas or diesel fuel, vessels and tanks up to 10,000 cubic meter and beyond, with oil and condensate storage capabilities. Choke manifold 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5,000 to 15,000 psi. Skidded oil expedition pumps and high-pressure water injection pumps. Dressed multi-phase pumps, compression and condensate recovery units, gas treatment and dehydration systems, silence flares, smokeless and lightless, oil stabilization columns, electrostatic desalters, explosion-proof storage tanks fitted for storage plants, firefighting system units, containered electric compressor units, nitrogen tank and nitrogen pumps.
A single strategy inspires the work of Italfluid and his subsidiaries, pushing the highest quality standards according to certified procedures, with the ultimate aim of guaranteeing a product service that exceeds customer expectations. Italfluid Group operates in compliance with safety and environmental sustainability according to the OSAS 18001-2007 and UNI-N ISO 14001-2004 standards. The quality management system of each company in the group complies with the requirements of the UNI-N ISO 9001-2008 standard quality management systems to guarantee the effectiveness and efficiency of the product's services.
Italfluid, born in Italy, is also present today with local workshops and warehouses in many countries such as Algeria, Tunisia, Morocco, Libya, United Arab Emirates, Kazakhstan, Iraq, and employ over 600 employees, including engineering team, welders, electricians, mechanics, field operators, with an average experience of maximum 35 years, minimum 8-9 years, 60% foreign languages speaking, English, French, Arab, Spanish, Portuguese, Russian. E&I, Total, Repsol, Edison, INA, OMV, British Gas, Bunkers Petroleum, Sonatrach, Anadarko, INA Industria Nafte, Enel, Stogit, Sonatrach FCP, Sahara, ETAP, ConocoPhillips, Sonahas are just a few of our international clients. For more information, you can visit website italfluid.com.